Good morning, traders. So let's get cracking with the Dow Jones this morning. Now, big question on my mind anyway is, do we have a consolidation breakout? Okay, now this weekly bar is really starting to take shape and look like a breakout bar. There's also Oscillator is starting to pick up nicely as well, but let's just get down to the daily. So, I mean, delete that line. Let's put this trend line in, or this one in. So we've had a breakout and a retest, and now we're moving to the upside again. Delete that. I just want to try find our new trend, and I think that's it there. It looks like a pretty good upward trend line. So you can see how we've had one touch, then 1, 2, 3, 4 touches there, and then we broke above this W bottom. Okay. The big question is, where are we going? I want to delete this line here. So this is a breakout right now of this consolidation phase here. Okay, so pretty much from here to here has been a consolidation in a rising triangle, flat top triangle type pattern, and we are breaking to the upside. Okay, so I'm still bullish and I'm still playing to the upside. So let's just look at, so again, if you look at what's happened basically for this month, we have been in a very strong uptrend. Okay, here is the W bottom. So there's the one bottom, there's bottom, and the break of here was validation. And you can see we had a test of the break with this bar here, and then we moved to the upside. Okay, so let's just see whether this target has been hit. 456 pips. 459. So this W bottom has just been hit now. Okay. So you would expect us to have some form of a pullback, but this is the Dow. Let's just look to the left what other levels we've got here. We have another level here. There's a swing low there and top. And then failing that, we have a little Brooks, probably open with like half a point or something over there. And then we've got this tail will be a big magnet. So those are the levels that we have to the upside at this stage. Okay, so yeah, I'm still looking for longs, and any pullback I am in long. And it's quite simple. There's no debate about it at the moment. So we could be getting a little tired now. So you can expect a consolidation or a small little pullback of sort. But the way so let's just check what Asia's doing. Asia's slightly up at the moment. Nothing serious, but ever so slightly up. Yeah. So I think maybe what we should expect is some form of consolidation. And I'm just trying to see, we didn't have any sell-off at the close. So you can see there's the closing bar there, 21 to 10, and we closed on our high. So if you just come back to the daily, you'll see how we closed on our high. Now that is an extremely bullish signal. Okay, so it's either continuation, and obviously we need another bar for validation, or it is an exhaustion bar. Okay, you can see here an example of an exhaustion bar. We ran all the way up hard, and then immediately they sold off. Okay, so that's the two scenarios that are in play. But there are vast differences in this setup and this setup. So this setup, you can see we were inside a wide Bollinger Band. This setup, we have just broken out of a Bollinger Squeeze. And normally when this happens, together with this pattern, we are going higher. Okay, and I think your next level is there. Oh yeah, and then I think so I'm going to go back out to the monthly because it's something that I saw yesterday. I just want to highlight. So I'll do this. So this is the previous month high, right where we are now. Okay. So we're actually slightly above it. We get down to the hour. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so we've broken the monthly high. So for now, we've broken that monthly high, and we're early in this month. So I'm very, very bullish. So you can see the momentum is waning a little bit on the hour, although price is going to the upside, moving down. So I do suspect we're going to just consolidate a little bit. Maybe hover around up and down in this area before moving to the upside again. Okay, so in saying that, I'm out of my longs from yesterday. Okay, so I got most of the move to the upside, which was actually quite refreshing, but I'm out of those longs at the moment. I'm looking for a consolidation now for another entry. And I don't think an entry is going to be very far down. It's going to be somewhere in this zone here. Okay, so it wouldn't surprise me if we hold. And at the Europe Open, you may find an opportunity to get long. Just depends what the price action is doing. And 15 minutes. You can see how the awesome oscillator's fallen right off. So momentum has died completely, and price is heading slightly to the upside. So yeah, so I think look for these levels. I think is the safest bet. So bounce off this level or a bounce off this monthly high would be a very good entry long. So hits this level, you can take it long with a tight stop below here. If you get triggered on the stop here, wait for it to pull back even further, and then look at the next level to get long. So that's kind of what I'm doing on the Dow. I don't see any signals telling me that I need to be concerned about getting out of this. This is just way too strong to the upside right now. And this daily breakout on the Bollinger Squeeze, as far as I'm concerned, the Bollinger Squeeze, the breakout, this pattern breakout, this is all telling me there's quite a bit of upside to come. And before we close off, we can just have a look at what to expect. I'll just be conservative, take it around there, 1,400 points, which is pretty close to the previous high up there. Okay, so a long-term picture, that's what I'm saying. We're going up, so we'd have to stay above this level, which would be the nice level to stay above. If we can just stay above this here, which gives us a new weekly high. Okay, it breaks this. It's not a fractional on the weekly, but it does break this high, and it's more than likely a fractional on the daily. Yes, okay, so that's a daily fractional, which has been broken. So it's long, and if you're playing fractionals, it would be long with a stop here, but yeah, I don't have the appetite for such a large stop loss. Okay, so yeah, that's me for today, guys. Look for the long. It's going to be somewhere in this area. This double top may play out, or it may not play out. So I somehow don't think it's going to play out because this break is significant. So I would expect a retest of that break. Okay, so anything in this area here would be a good area for a long, and I think that's the way I'm going to play it today. Hope it helps, guys. Stay safe, stay profitable, and enjoy the day, man. I'll catch you guys later.